Recently, I picked up a box of Saar gangers from Necromunda, and so far I've built 5 and painted 2. And a half? Well, today I'm going to be putting it up to 2 3/4, and maybe teach you how to put your minis up a few notches as well. I've mostly finished this model. There's a few areas like the shoulder I still need to finish, but overall I think it's looking pretty good, considering I've only been in the hobby for 2 years. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do the vibrant, eye-catching green glow that I've done on my model, so your models can stand out amongst the crowd, or gang. For this I got sun yellow and turquoise from Vallejo, and I put them on my wet palette. I mixed some turquoise with a tiny bit of yellow to get this sort of copper carbonate colour. Let's just take a second to appreciate how good this colour looks. Oh yeah, that's good. Anyways, now that we've watched paint dry, I got my mixture and added some more yellow to get a lime green. You want to stipple this closer to the right side of the model, or whatever direction the light is coming from on yours. Once that's dried, I go in with a pale yellow, which I get from adding a bit of Vallejo off-white to my yellow paint, like this. We want to balance the opacity of the white with the vibrancy of the yellow. Then do what we did with the lime, stippling closer now to this metaphorical light source. Now that's all dried, make some more lime and thin it down to get a glaze. Take most of the moisture off with one stroke over our kitchen towel or toilet paper and test it on your thumbnail. It should be relatively transparent. Now we want to glaze over what we've done so we can get a smoother transition. The stippling we did before helps with this. Keep going and doing this until you're happy with it, and then highlight the sharpest areas again with our pale yellow. And there you go. Now just click the subscribe button if you haven't already, like the video if you found this helpful, and if it wasn't, comment down below how I can improve my videos. And of course, keep on painting the rest of your model. And remember, don't rush with your brush.